Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. So, as always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward about 5 minutes or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Mike. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we will explore our basic right to know, represented in our crown chakra. In her book, Eastern Body, Western Mind, Anadea Judith writes, Western civilization is founded on the belief system that spirit and matter are separate and distinct. For many seekers and respected masters, spiritual practice is seen as different from our mundane existence. Monks leave their homes and families and renounce old worldly pursuits in order to obtain enlightenment. Nuns cloister themselves to be closer to God. New Age ascension philosophy advises transcending the body and becoming nothing but light. And yet, the separation of spirituality from the rest of life leaves us spiritually homeless. We're taught to seek enlightenment by denying the basic nature of our biological existence. But denying our basic nature in order to achieve unity is a contradiction steeped in dualistic thinking, which will never lead to unity or wholeness. The seventh chakra is all about merging with divine consciousness and realizing our true nature. The ultimate source of the seventh chakra wounds stems from stripping our ordinary existence of its spiritual meaning, leaving the average person without purpose or direction. However, we do have the right to know that we are all children of the divine, seeking our way back home. That there is a deeper meaning to life than underlies all of our mundane existence. Our purpose in the seventh chakra is to contact the divine, but also to manifest divinity in our bodies and actions, and so transform the world. In the crown chakra, we see divinity in all matter and in all its infinite arrangements. So let's do a practice around that now. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle in. Gently scanning your body, notice how you're feeling today. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you right now, really? Allow your breath to be soft and easy. Don't try to control it. Simply observe how your breath flows in and out of your body, and how your body responds to your breath. Close your eyes. Root down into the earth. Feel your connection with it through your root chakra at the base of your spine. Remember the support that earth always provides. Breathing gently, start noticing the sense of being you, the sense of your unique presence on this earth, If you want to, you can bring your hands on your heart and repeat after me. I am here. I am breathing. My heart is beating. My mind is working. So right now, I am okay. All is well in my world. At the top of your head, visualize your crown chakra. You may imagine it as a sphere of purple energy, rotating slowly and radiating light in all directions. How much space can you take up with this energy? With each breath cycle, allow this purple light, this energy to expand further and further out from within your body and into the world around you. Let this energy be as big as it wants to. As you stay with this visual and feel the energy of your crown chakra all around you, all within you, repeat after me. I am connected to infinite wisdom. I am one with all things, with the universe. I feel whole and complete. I feel the universe moving through me. I have the right to know that I am part of the divine plan. I have the right to know that I am part of the universe, not separate from it. We will complete our practice with a bija mantra for the crown chakra. The sound here is Im. I am Im. We will repeat it 7 times. And as you recite this mantra, let yourself expand more and more into your right to know, your connection with the universe. Im, 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 Im. Scan your body once again. Notice what's going on for you right now after the short practice. How are you doing? Physically, emotionally, mentally? Has anything changed? How's your breath? And as you go through your day today, Whenever you feel stuck in the mundane tasks of your life, remember your right to know your connection with something bigger than yourself. In these moments, see if you can allow the universe to move through you, connecting your physical expression with your divine expression. Enjoy this feeling. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.